Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this. And the inspiration for the look is this photo right over here. Without further ado, let's get started. First up, I'm going to go in with this color from EnVogue called Lock and Key. And I'm basically just going to do one coat. Also, just as an FYI, throughout this video, if it looks like I'm having lighting trouble, it's because I am. And I am so sorry. I'm going to pop this in the lamp and we'll be right back. Now that this came out of the lamp, I'm going to go in with my matte top coat. And once this is done, I'm going to pop this in the lamp for full cure. Now that I have this, I'm going to go in with the Emboss It gel from Ugly Duckling. And I'm going to take this and just dip this in here. And my brush is going to look like this. I am literally going to take this. I'm going to do any sort of like swirl patterns just for, I'm going to have the reference photo up. So I'm going to start out this way first with one color and going this way with another. So you basically want to literally almost like really dry brush this, and you want to see those lines and you want the chrome to get in there. I'm going to pop this in the lamp real quick. I'm going to dip this in. You don't need a lot, something like this. And we're just going to rub that on and take a clean surface and do something like that. You can see those lines are there and it's nice and subtle. I'm going to go back with the ombre brush again, dip into the gel. Now this time I'm going to go up this way, but I'm not putting a top coat on until I'm done. So I want to really get in there with those lines. Pop that back in the lamp again. Dip that in. Probably took too much, but that's okay. I'm just gonna rub that on. Take a clean surface of this, wipe that off, and then this is what everything looks like. You're gonna take what you need to do. You're gonna wipe this off and wipe that off. So you'll have a little product on the brush, but not a lot. You need to really dry brush this, like really dry brush this, because you want that top coat in. You don't want it, you want the top coat to sit on the nail, but you want to still see all of those lines. When you're done doing that, pop this in the lamp for full cure. When you are done, it's going to look something like this. Let me know in the comment section, how do you like this nail art tutorial? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right over here. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and leave a comment. Every time you hit the like button and leave a comment, you are just engaging not only with my content, but you were telling me that you like my content and you are helping push my content out that much further in the world of YouTube. And I will see you soon, nail family. Bye!